Factory calibration tab, it shows you all the different ways we're post-processing the raw data to apply calibration. You know, there's not much to play with here, but you can, if you would like, change those values if for whatever reason, you know, you do your own calibration and you don't agree with what we have, or maybe you're doing, I don't know, but you can do your own, and once you say create your own, it will basically show you what the existing calibration is, and then you can edit these parameters. In the last tab, we're just showing you all the recorder info that we have on the unit, when it was calibrated, when it was made, its firmware revision, hardware revision, things like that. This would be good information to provide to us if and when you had an issue. But all this information is saved in every recording file too. So whenever you provide a recording file to us, we see, when it was made, when it was calibrated, the serial number of the device, everything like that. So recording files are always helpful to receive. And that is configuration. So then you hit OK, and you are good to go to start recording. All right, hope this was helpful. Thank you.